are the Twisters freestanding displays, and they come as a kit, unassembled, and they're easy to assemble. And we do that so that it's less expensive to ship and there's no damage in transit, which is a big advantage. And they're very easy to put together. This is the Twisters Display Plus display. Very thick, clear, polished acrylic base. You take your rod. They come in 3 different sizes in the kit. You insert them into the base. And then the patented twister simply goes on and twists into position. And the good part is that you can mix and match. The frames can point in a variety of different positions. The temples are always extended. So let's say we wanted to make this a little bit more extreme. Temples are always extended, but the front of the frame is always facing perpendicular to the floor. And again, it comes with a 12-inch, a 9-inch, a 6-inch rod, 9 twisters, and you can mix and match. So this one that holds 4 can actually hold 3 or 5. This, which is holding 3 now, could hold 2, could hold 1. It could hold 4. So you have ultimate variety here and tremendous amount of elegance. That's the Twisters displays. This is the Twisters Display Kit, and it differs from the Display Plus in that the Plus has a much thicker base. But the premise is still the same in that it comes with 3 bases, 3 rods, and the twisters that easily snap into place and are repositionable anywhere along the rod. These 2 will have face forward. And you just mount your frames with the temples extended. 1, 2, and that's the kit. Mix and match.